Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to do a cute dango, so let's get started. Draw a super round circle here, a cute circle, slowly. Draw two lumpy eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside, with 3 lines, and the mouth. Now we have a cute dango. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.